Welcome or welcome back everyone to Cooking with Frenchie. Cooking and baking made easy. Just this week I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful chicken stock, but different chicken stock. This will be made with chicken necks, and I hear you, why chicken necks? Really? Yes, chicken necks. Frame are not always available. When you go to the shop, can't always find chicken frame. Unless you follow my video before where I break down a chicken and it's cheaper for you. Why breaking down a chicken? Because it is cheaper. It's much nicer. It takes a bit of skills, but it only takes 10 minutes. Really? Don't you have 10 minutes in your life to do so? If you don't, which I understand, best solution beside that is chicken neck. You will love a stock made with chicken necks. Why? Because there's still some meat into it. And the collagen, that collagen that you all dream about to have. Somewhere for beautiful skin. Look at that. Must be too much collagen for me or not enough sun, whatever it is. I don't know. However, it's very important for you to follow this recipe. If you like it, you will love it. If you don't like it, well, don't worry about it, really. But it's nice, easy to make. It only takes time, and from time to time, you just need to watch your skimming recipe. That's all you gotta do, so don't worry about it. Let's go to the recipe and see you later for another recipe on Cooking with Frenchie. How easy was to make that stock, really. You know, just 5 minutes of video, probably it's gonna take you 2 to 2.5 hours to do so. But meanwhile, you can do anything else. It doesn't have to be right on top of it, sorry. So don't forget to do it. Please like the recipe, share it, and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. It helps me to create more recipe and motivates me to do more. So see you next time on another chapter of Cooking with Frenchie. Ciao, ciao. Au revoir. Merci. Hey, did you see my cook? Lovely, eh?